Dun 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 dun! Hello, dreamers! So, this is a self portrait that I did last week, and I'm going to show you how I did it today. So, let's start. To tell the truth, this is my first attempt painting portrait. I thought if I have to butcher someone's face for experimental purpose, might as well be my own. I find portraits scary subject of painting because it can be pretty and artistic, but at the same time miss the likeliness by a large margin. But I thought I have done enough scary things in the last year of my life. A failed painting would be a small puddle to leap into and laugh about. Speaking of being scared, I have been scared of my own face for quite some time. Even during my daily greeting with my own image at the bathroom sink. I have been trying to only glimpse at myself long enough to arrange my appearance so that I don't scare other people, but not long enough to discover changes that will upset myself. You know, all the lines and puffiness and droopiness and discoloration and scars from, years of breakouts. Results of years of stress and self-neglect. Raising children from scratch was hard. Trying to figure out a broken marriage was hard. Fighting my way through divorce was hard. Denying to acknowledge my appearance was easy. In fact, refusing to acknowledge a lot aspects of myself was easy. Being bitter was easy. I remember the portrait of Dorian Gray and how your face gave away what you allowed to poison your inside. I don't need to hide my portrait in the attic. I just have to put my head in the gutter. It's equally effective, I tell you. It took a bit divine nudging and some hard to come by alone time for me to see myself. As I opened the gift from kids drawer to throwing another artwork done just for me from my creative kids, I glimpsed at a few more cards for mommy scattered in the drawer. I get showered with these gifts of sweet expression of love on a regular basis. I'm very lucky. I saw my face on one of them was a hair in a ponytail. Another one on a card was me in gowns and heels, which I never wear. In fact, my face was on all of them, next to the depiction of their own faces. In all of the pictures, my face is decorated with crowns and flowers. Some even have descriptive writings that says, "Pretty mommy," or "Most beautiful mommy in the world." I guess I am pretty and beautiful to my sweet munchkins. I want to be pretty and beautiful for them. Goodness gracious, I want to feel pretty and beautiful myself too, inside and outside and everywhere, especially before they outgrow the hallucinogenic effects of childhood attachment and start to see me as who I am. Who would they see? How do I really look? How do I really feel? That was 3 months ago, right after my divorce finalized. Since then, I have picked up my paintbrushes. After years of hiatus, I allow myself to be creative again. I once went skydiving to check it off my bucket list. It was exciting but scary because every part of it felt wrong and my body knew it. My survival instinct was on overdrive. This was different. Every part of creating art felt so right. I might never be able to stop again. And this scares me too. My survival instinct reminds me feverishly that I have bills to pay and adulting to do. It's okay to be scared. If I can throw myself off an airplane while scared, I can go down this self discovering journey holding my own hands. I have so much to unlearn and unpack. For example, who taught me to believe that creativeness is kids' play, that it is selfish and childish to be sitting around and indulge in paints and colors? Or why did I think lines and scars are ugly and shameful? But first thing first, I am coming to terms with my look and my face and its smile. It's not glamorous, but it feels okay. My name is Sophie, and I am an artist.